Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel CAD by Nagendra. So in before tutorials, we have gone through up to this hem option. Now let's start with these remaining options. So next we are having here jog. So just you can see preview here. What is meant by jog means by using base profile, we are able to create that entire upper shape. Now let me show you that. So to use that option, first we need proper support like base we want it. So to create that base on the top plane, I'll go for sketch. For example, I'll create one rectangle here like this. Then exit sketch, isometric. Now to convert this 2D profile into sheet metal base, directly we know this option called base flange. Just I'll click here. Let's say for example, thickness of 2 mm I'll take and I'll say OK. Now this we are having one flat sheet. So by using that flat sheet, I need to create a jog. Like just I will show you here by using this option. Just I'll click on jog. Now, once if I click on jog, we need to create one sketch from where it should get bent. Now, for example, on this top face, I need to bend this base sheet metal profile with reference to this line. Either it may be a straight line or any inclined line. So for better understanding, I'll take one horizontal line, then exit sketch. Now, just if I see here, this is a sketch I have drawn. Here, one option is selecting here. So fixed face we need to select. It means now one sheet is there. So let me show you with one paper. For example, this one paper is there, like one blank sheet is there. So here I have created one line exactly at center, for example. So with reference to this line, so where it should get bent. Now here we have created one line like this. So with reference to this face, if you make this face as fixed face, this entire material will bend like this. Now if I make fixed face is this one, so with reference to this line, this material it will get bent. Same like that only. Here we need to select fixed face. So fixed face, if I select this side, as you can see, opposite side face it will get bent. And here you are able to change this bend radius also. How much we want, we can change this bend radius. Then how much distance we want, like this. Then dimension position, where to where dimension should be calculated. Here whatever the dimension we are giving 60 mm, that should be calculated from base to top, or from this face to this face, or from inside to inside, like that options will be there here. So we need to select according to our requirement. Then same similar to this, we are having here jog position. So this jog should be created with reference to this line. Either we need inside or outside or exactly at that line. Now you can see it came inside to that line. If I click here, it came outside to that line. Again, if I click this last option, this bend radius is starting from that line. So these already options we have seen by using this edge flange. So similar options here also. Then angle also we are able to change here like this according to our requirement. So let me make it here 90 degrees only. So this is about jog. So here one thing you need to remember that here no extra length is going to add. It means whatever this length from here to here it is there, same length will be available here, but extra material we are getting on this vertical position. So that is meant by jog. Why? Because similar option one more is there. Here sketched bend. So you need to understand the difference. So I hope you have understood about this jog. So jog is nothing but by using a flat sheet, we are able to bend. So whatever this horizontal position is there, same material will be added there, but extra vertical direction, extra material will be added here. So that is about jog. Then let me go back, exit sketch. Now we'll go here with this sketched bend. So what is meant by this sketched bend means same it will be similar to jog. So to use this sketched bend, we need to create one sketch same similar to which we have created for jog. So on this face, same one line I'll draw here. Then exit sketch. Now same here, face we need to select. fixed face, either this one or that one. If I select this one as fixed face, material it will get bend here like this. With reference to this line, same bend position, it should be inside to that line or outside to that line, or bend radius should start from that line. So according to our requirement, we need to select here. So just you can notice the difference between this jog and sketched bend. So jog is nothing but same material we are getting on vertical position, but whatever the material is adding on vertical direction, so that is extra material. But here sketched bend means whatever the original parameters are there, only that material will be there. According to our the profile where we have created, existing material only we will get bending. So that is the difference between sketched bend and jog. So where we can use these options means, let's say for example, we are having multiple bends. Usually what we will create, one base we will create, then we will go on like keep on adding like edge flanges. So right side we want again 90 degrees, 100 degrees, like that we will keep on going changing by using this edge flange. But if we are having multiple, like in a blank sheet, let's say for example some 15 to 20 bends are there. So that 15 to 20 bends, if you go by keeping on this edge flange, we need to calculate the distance, how much we want. It will take more time. So to overcome from that time, like wastage of time, we can go here with the sketched bend. So directly what we can do, directly we'll create one blank sheet. Wherever we want, we'll create bendings. So let me show one example, that one. Let's say for example, this is a flat sheet. So what I'll do here, for example, I want bend here. I'll create one line. Then one more sketch I'll go. For example, I want bend one more like this. Exit sketch, isometric. Now I'll go for sketched bend. So this is a sketch I want. Fixed face is this side. You can see bend created. Same here also I want sketched bend. This is a sketch. Fixed face is this. Let's say okay. See, like this. In a simple way, we are able to create this multiple bends at a time by using this sketched bend. So I hope you have understood about this. Then next we are having here cross break. So what is meant by this cross break means, it is nothing but it will give stiffness to the sheet. Now sheet metal is nothing but, so maximum thickness will be having 6 mm only. So for example, if you are taking a 2 mm sheet, if we try to bend it manually, it will bend automatically. So to give stiffness to that particular sheet, to that reference, so there we can use this cross break. It will give stiffness. Now before I have searched here sketched bend, we are able to bend here. Let me go back. Just I'll use this cross break for this. Let's say okay. Now cross break apply. Now if I try to make sketch bend with reference to this sketch, you can see you cannot add this feature to your face with a cross break feature. Why? Because already we have given stiffness to the sheet, so that we are not able to bend that. Proper stiffness is there for this, so we can't bend it. So only for like software purpose we can use this cross break option. So I hope you have understood up to here. Then next we are having here swept flange. So in part design only we have seen. So under features we have seen here swept boss. Same similar to that we are having here swept flange. So swept flange is nothing but with reference to a defined profile, with whatever the shape we have drawn, material will be added, whatever the profile we have drawn with that, with reference to that existing guide path. So for that, let me show you one example. For example, this sketch is there. I'll apply some fillets for this, for continue relation. So these sketches I don't want. I will delete this. Now, for example, I'll go for sketch on this face. We want one shape. So let me draw one shape like this blindly. Exit sketch. Now, with this shape, flange should be created with standard bend radius and thickness along with this guide like this. So it should go through this curvature. So just I'll go on swept flange, sketch already selected. Path is This is the path I need to select. So here exactly it is on not on plane. So let me create this sketch here. I'll edit this sketch. Just I'll remove this fillet. Why? Because wherever face is there, exactly there only sketch should be available. So just I will change this. Mouse right click. Here edit sketch plane. We need on this face. Okay. So the sketch should start from here. Just I'll make it here relation, exit sketch, isometric. Now swept flange, sketch is this, path is this. So along with that path, as you can see, with the default bend radius and thickness, this flange will be created along with the guide path. So bend radius we are able to change here how much we want. Then flange position also we are able to change. Either we want inside or outside, or it should start from end. Okay, or else now entire length it is going to apply. So if you want to make reduce or increase, we can use here start and end offsets also, like this. Exactly where you want, there only you can create. Let's say okay. And this custom relief type, everything we have seen in edge flange, same similar options only, but here along with the guide curve, here material is going to create. So that is about this swept flange. So I hope you have understood about these options whatever I have explained now. So if you feel this video is informative, please share to your friends to whom it will be useful. And if you have any doubts regarding this, please let me know in comment box. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.